How do you think you pronounce this? Gonine? Gonine? However you pronounce it, this is a Canon battery AC wall power. It's dummy battery. And I already unboxed it. It's right here. It comes with this pouch to hold everything. And they got their brand. I have a Canon R5 and an R7. And I'm going to test the R5 and the R7 with this adapter. I'm also going to test it with this battery grip as well, because I think that said that you could put this in the battery grip, so I'll test that. But I was about to buy the official Canon version of this, and it was over $100. It was like $130, $40. It was quite expensive, but this one, way more affordable. There's a few other brands that I saw when I was looking on Amazon, but this one had the best reviews. Gonine? I don't know. Maybe somebody in the comments could correct me. So it's a AC wall adapter here in the US. There you go. There's the wall, AC wall. Converts DC to AC, and then this is the dummy battery. That's what it looks like. And the dummy battery, there's another connection right here. So it's quite a long cable. I got this AC connection here because I'm gonna start doing a lot of headshots, all day headshots. A company has hired me to do headshots for an event, so I'm gonna be at a headshot station for 6 to 8 hours with the camera on, snapping headshots. And I'm gonna be tethered. But for my camera, this is gonna be the third time I'm doing this gig. I just got this battery grip, pop that in, put two Canon batteries in, the newest ones, and I was able to go half a day with it all the way on, and then I had a power station, and I just swapped batteries. Only needed to do that once, so with 4 batteries, got me through the entire day for the weekend that I was filming this, doing this shoot. So I got this. I thought maybe this might be a better solution for me, so I don't have to worry about battery power, and I just leave this on all day. I am assuming whatever I do here for stills will also work for video. So if you do video interviews or events and you use your Canon cameras, this could work for that too. So for the Canon here, to get this cable through this door, you first take this one and then you put it there, because that's where the cable's going to go out. And then on the Canon R5, there's where the cable gets fed out of the battery compartment area. Close it up. Works just like that. Okay, everything's plugged in. Oh, I can already see it's on, so that means power's working. And let's turn this on. Yep, turns on. And it looks like, where's the battery indicator? Okay, the battery indicator is right up here, and it looks like the battery's full. So this works on the Canon R5. I'm only testing right now in this video to show that it works. I'm gonna just use this on the job, and we'll see how that goes. If they have any problems with this, like it shorts out on me, then I'll do a follow-up to this video. Otherwise, if there's no follow-up, just assume this works fantastically. And if you want to save money and not buy the official Canon version, you can get this one. All right, here's the R7. Let's see how it works with the R7. R7 has the same flap there. Ooh, I got to be careful with this. I can already see that cable right there. It could tear if I'm not careful. So I will be more careful now putting this door closed. Okay, let's see. Let's turn this on. I don't have a lens on. Let me just turn it on. Oh, there we go. This one works. Full battery. Great. Works with the R7. I didn't think it was not going to work. So now here's the one that I'm really curious with. Curious if it's going to work with the battery grip on the R5. So the battery grip takes 2, but then there's also a little area there for a release. Let's see how this works. Looks like there is a there's a spot for the cable to go through. Oh, I think it just goes like that. And, oh, all right. Okay, so that's how that goes in. This is the official grip. Now let me put the grip on to my R5. Voila! Hey, it works! Look at that! Oh, that's awesome. All right, full battery. And cool. Okay, so for a fraction of the cost of the official Canon version, this Gonine brand works well with the Canon cameras. Again, if I have a problem after my job with this, I'll do a follow-up video. But if I don't do a follow-up video, just assume this is amazing and you should buy it if you need one of these.